Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I am now dealing with 8th class maths, algebraic expressions, exercise 11.1, 3 sums already I have done. This is first sum. Find the product of monomial sections they have given. So let us see one by one. Xy into x square y into xy into x. This is our first problem. So let us see how many x's are there. See, this is having power 1 plus this is having power 2 plus this is having power 1 plus this is having power 1 into y. Y is having power 1 plus here also 1 power plus here also 1 power. That means how much? X to the power of 2, 3, 4, 5 into y cube. This is the answer for this problem, children. You have to just add how many powers are there for the same denominator. X here, 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 here. Here 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 5. So x to the power of 5. Y 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now second one we will do. A into B into AB into A cube B into AB cube. So this is also will do like this. A, its power here 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 and B 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3. That is A to the power of 3, 4, 5, 6 into B to the power of 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the answer for the second problem. Now let us go to the third bit. What is third bit? KL into LM into KM into KLM. So this is equal to K. How many? It is having power 1 here, power 1 here, power 1 here. And L 1 plus 1 plus 1. Then M 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is K cube, L cube, M cube. This is the answer, children, when you are multiplying. Now fourth bit. PQ into PQR into R. So this is equal to P. How many? 1 here plus here 1. That's all. Q 1 here plus 1. R 1 plus 1. So P square, Q square, R square is the answer for this bit, children. Next, fifth one. Minus 3a into 4ab into minus 6c into d. Children, in all these cases, there is no negative sign. So we did not talk about the negative sign at all, because we know that algebraic multiplication should start with the signs. But I have not dealt with any sign here because all are having positives. So we don't bother about the sign, all will be positive only. So directly we have done. But now you have got here negative signs. What did I say in the previous class? I told that if negative signs are even, the answer will be positive. If negative signs are odd, the answer will be negative. So here we have got 1 and this is one more 2. 2 is even, so answer is in positive. So no need to worry. So now what you have to do? You have to multiply the numbers. 3 4s are 12, 12 6 are 72. Now A, power 1 plus power 1, that's all. B, 1, that's all, we have only 1. C also is having 1 and D also is having 1. So 72 A square B C D is the answer for this problem, children. I hope I am clear, children. See this, I have done it in a different way because when you go to the next exercises, problems and all, this is the only method which you are going to do. That is why I have done this, in which I have added the powers of the same terms, because if you know about it, when bases are same and multiplied, power should be added. So that is what I have done here to get the answer, children. Please note it down. Now fifth problem is, if A is equal to xy, B is equal to yz and C is equal to zx, then find ABC. ABC means A into B into C. What is A? Xy. Into B is yz. Into C is zx. So this is equal to x. How many are there? Power 1 plus again you have got x power 1. And y 1 plus 1. And z 1 plus 1. So how much are you getting? X square, y square, z square. So what we will say? Therefore, A, B, C is equal to x square, y square, z square is the answer for this problem, children. Next, sixth problem. If P is equal to 4x square, T is equal to 5x, R is equal to 5y, then what is the value of P, T, R by 100? P, T, R by 100. What do you mean by this? P into T into R by 100. This means what? P is 4x square into T is 5x into R is 5y by 100. So actually 5 5s are 25, 25 4s are 100. So either you can do like that, 4, otherwise 4, 25s are 5 1s are 5 5s are 5 and 5 will get cancelled. So what are you getting? X to the power of 2 plus 1 and y. That is x cube y. So what is PTR by 100? Therefore, PTR by 100 is equal to x cube y. This is the answer, children. Fifth and sixth problems. I hope it is clear, children. A into B into C I have multiplied. A value, B value, C value. X 1 here, 1 here. 1 plus 1. Y 1 plus 1. Z 1 plus 1. So x square, y square, z square we have got. Similarly, P is 4x square, T is 5x, R is 5y, then PTR by 100. PTR by 100 means P into T into R by 100. P means 4x square into T means 5x into R is 5y by 100. See, 4 ones are 4, 2s are 4 5s are. 5 ones are 5 5s are 5 and 5 will get cancelled. So what is left behind? X to the power of 2 plus 1, 3 and y. So x cube y. So PTR by 100 is x cube y. Note it down, children. And the seventh one is, write some monomials of your own and find their products. Till now I have done so many problems dealing with monomials. You can take any of those examples and write, children. So I am not doing seventh one up to 6. I am doing in this exercise. Please note it down. Now, children, we are going to talk about multiplication of a binomial by a monomial. Means earlier we have done multiplication of monomial with a monomial. Now binomial. As an example, you have got one problem. 5x into 6y plus 3. This problem you have to do. Bracket means multiplication, I said. So you can write it as 5x into 6y plus 3. So now we have to bifurcate. Already you have learned about various properties, children. Distributive property A into B plus C is A into B plus A into C. In the same way, we'll write 5x into 6y in one bracket. Plus is there, so write plus 5x into 3. What you are doing? 5x into 6y. This plus we will write it here, 5x into 3. So 5 6 are 30 xy plus 5 3 are 15 x. This is the answer for this problem, children. Example 6. Minus 4xy into 2x minus y. So a into b, here minus is there, so minus a into c we have to write. So let me write, this can be written as minus 4xy into 2x. These two I have multiplied. Now this minus sign I am writing it here. If I write minus sign here, this y minus sign is here, so it becomes a plus. Minus 4xy into y. What happened to this minus sign? I wrote it here. What did I say? In between this, if you have plus sign, write a plus. If you have minus sign, you write minus. If that minus comes here, this becomes plus. So, this is how much you are getting. Minus into plus minus, 4 2s are 8, x to the power of 1 plus 1, y. And here minus into minus. I should multiply the signs. So it becomes a plus 4 into 1, 4, x, y to the power of 1 plus 1. So minus 8x square y plus 4xy square. This is the answer for this bit, children. Now let me go to 7th example. It is 3n minus 2n square into minus 7mn. 3m, sorry, this is m. So 3m minus 2n square into minus 7mn. So this can be written as 3m into minus 7mn. Here minus sign is there, so write minus sign here. This minus I have already written here, so I should take only 2n square into minus 7mn. That means plus into minus minus, 3 7s are 21, m to the power of 1 plus 1 n minus into minus plus, 7 2s are 14, m n square plus 1. So how much are you getting? This is minus 21 m square n plus 14 m n cube is the answer for this problem, children. So let me explain you once again. This is a monomial with binomial. Usually we have a distributive property. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. This is the property which I am using in this problem. What I have done, this into this plus, Here whatever, see minus is there, so I wrote minus, plus is there, so I wrote plus. So here minus is there, this minus I have taken it out, and this number along with the minus I have taken, and this I should take positive only because that negative I have already written here. So 8x square y minus into minus plus 4xy square I got. Similarly here 3m minus 2n square into minus 7mn. This is again a minus b into c, a into b minus c, a into b minus c, a into b minus a into c. So 3m minus 2n square into minus 7mn. So 3m into minus 7mn, this minus I have written it here, so 2n square positive into minus 7mn. That means plus into minus minus 3 7 that 21 m square n minus into minus plus 2 7 the 14 m n cube. These are the answers. Please note it down. Now this is do this sum children. First one 3x into 4ax plus 8by. So this can be written as 3x into 4ax plus 3x into 8by. That is plus 3 4s are 12 a x to the power of 1 plus 1 plus 24 x by. That means 12ax square plus 24x by is the answer for this first bit, children. Now let us go to the second bit. I will do second bit here. 4a square b into a minus 3b. This is 4a square b 4a square b into a minus 4a square b into 3b. So this is 4 a to the power of 2 plus 1 and b minus 12 a square b to the power of 1 plus 1. That is 4a cube b minus 12a square b square is the answer for the second bit. Now third bit p plus 3q square into pq. This is nothing but p into pq plus 3q square into pq. So p to the power of 1 plus 1 into q plus 3 q to the power of 2 plus 1 into p. So p square q plus 3q cube p is the answer for this third bit, children. So this is the answer for second bit. This is for third bit and fourth bit. M cube plus n cube into 5mn square. That means m cube into 5mn square plus n cube into 5mn square. This is equal to 5 m to the power of 2 plus 1 n square plus 5 m into n to the power of 3 plus 2. So what is the answer that we are getting for this? 5 m cube n square plus 5 m n to the power of 5. This is the answer, children. So I hope I am clear. I'll just separate them. You may get confused. First sum, second sum, third sum, and fourth one is here. So 3x into 4ax plus 8by. So 3x into 4ax plus 3x into 8by. So signs are same, so no need to worry about it. Now numbers 3 4s are 12. A x to the power of 1 plus 1. 3 8s are 24. X by. No same bases are there. So 12 ax square plus 24 x by, or you can even write it as bxy. You can even write it as bxy. Okay. Now second one, 4a square b into a minus 3b. That is 4a square b into a minus 4a square b into 3b. So 4a to the power of 2 plus 1 into b minus 4 3s are 12 a square b to the power of 1 plus 1, that is 4a cube b minus 12x square b square. Similarly, this p plus 3q square into pq, that is p into pq plus 3q square into pq. P to the power of 1 plus 1 into q plus 3 into q to the power of 2 plus 1 into p. P square q plus 3q cube p. Fourth one, m cube plus n cube into 5m n square. That is m cube. Sorry children, this is m cube. M cube means this is 3. 3 plus 1, you'll be getting 4 here. Okay. So m cube into 5m n square plus n cube into 5m n square. M cube 5 into 1, 5 into m cube, m to the power of 3 plus 1 n square plus 5 n to the power of m as it is n to the power of 3 plus 2. So 5m to the power of 4 n square plus 5m n to the power of 5. These are the answers, children. Please note it down. Now children, the second question in do this is find the number of maximum terms in the product of a monomial and a binomial. Whenever you take a monomial like 2x multiplied by x plus y, what are you getting? 2x square plus 2xy. How many number of terms are there? Number of maximum terms. Maximum terms are always 2 because we are multiplying it with a binomial. Now you have one more example of multiplication of a trinomial by a monomial. In the earlier case, we have done a binomial with a monomial, and this is a trinomial with a monomial. So we have got 2x into 3x plus 4y minus 6. Just like what we have done earlier, 2x into 3x plus whatever sign is there, that we have to take, plus 2x into 4y minus 2x into 6. In this way, if you do, this will be very convenient for us to do the sum, children. 2x into 3x as one term, plus is there, so write plus, 2x into 4y another term, minus is there, so write minus, 2x into 6 is another term. This minus we have written here, so this 6 will not have any negative sign. So here 2 3s are 6x square plus 2 4s are 8xy minus 12x. This is the answer, children. In this way, we are going to do some more problems in the exercise, children. I hope I am clear. Please note it down. The next, I'll do the next part in the next class.